big, heavy parts in assembly. Flipping them by hand is exhausting and imprecise, and multi-angle work is out of reach. How many of these does a welding positioner use for assembly indexing solve? Flipping heavy parts by hand is hard on people, and the positioning rides on feel. When a robot or operator needs multiple angles, the part is out of reach and cycle time slips. A positioner turns and tilts the part to the best assembly angle, so work happens at a fixed station, steady and precise. EVS-D positioners carry from 200 to 5,000 kilograms, covering most parts. A positioner is not only for welding, assembly, fastening, and inspection all index on it. With auto screw feeding and torque traceability, a two-station layout assembles on one side while loading the other, so the cell never idles. When does a positioner pay off in assembly? 3 tests. The part is big or heavy and must be flipped. You need multi-angle assembly or a two-station layout to lift output. Meet any one, and it is worth the numbers. Steel structures, construction machinery, automotive, and heavy equipment. Any large part, multi-angle assembly fits this logic. A positioner is not just a turntable for welding. It turns assembly angle and cycle time into a line-wide capability. This is EVS-D. We make the positioner a repeatable assembly indexing solution. For the full solution and a selection guide, get in touch with our team.